Okay. So we always tell you about, the retreat. We got through doing a video telling you about the retreat, 18 cards, 3D project. But we forgot when the more, even just as important thing is, and that is that we give away door prizes. So we give away door prizes between each session. In addition to that, we have challenges, card challenge, design challenges. We put a challenge out there. This time it'll be beginning July 15th. Pretty positive. July 15th, and there'll be 4 different designs, and for every entry you put, you get put in for a drawing to win a prize, right? So we give away for at least 8 prizes between door prizes and prize patrol, and that's always fun and exciting too because, people's names get put on a wheel, and we just use the app from online and spin, and that's who wins. So the more you create, the challenges.
The more you create, the better it is.
Yep, so. The better it is. I don't think you've participated in any of the challenges, have you, Zoe? Not yet, anyway, right? Not yet.
Get her on that.
Get her on it. All right, so we just wanted to share that with you because that is exciting too. Because you get to see how different people create. We put a challenge out there. We all create different. We use different colors. We use different papers. We use different bling. What else? I mean, it's just everybody does it different, and it's just always neat to see and get people to post, and it just gives you ideas.
Yeah.
So it's always good to share too. But it's all done through Zoom. We do have some in person, but it's very limited. Very limited. But most of the people are on Zoom. So we're there. It allows us to interact, and everybody gets to see everything. And we have a Facebook page specifically for the retreat as well, where we post everything. All right. So that's it. I don't think we can think of anything else.
No.
Important
prize patrol and doing the prize challenges.
Yep, prize challenges because the prize patrol. Yep, there you go.
A lot of good goodies in there.
There are a lot of good goodies. We usually let you pick out a random thing. We let you pick out what you would like, and it just sort of goes from there. Cause we have X amount of things to pick from, and so it's like whoever gets the first prize, they pick first, and so on and so on. So there you go. Door prizes too. Yeah. All right. Anything else? Did we get it this time?
Did we get it all?
All right. All right. Then we're out of here. We're signing off. Thank you for putting up with us sometimes. How about that? All right. Bye.